Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another tutorial of UK Actions. Today we will learn how to use switch statement. So let's start. What is a switch statement? The values of a variable and compare it with the cases. Once the case match found, it will use that case and it will break the statement and then close that thread. So what is the syntax of switch statement? How to use the cases? Let's begin. So if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. I am giving you 5 seconds to subscribe. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, and hope you subscribe it. We will create here a variable I and the value I equals to 20. Right, the syntax of switch is simple. We type here the switch, then we will define the condition what we are trying to search for. So I am searching the value of I here, then we will add here the brackets, curly brackets, and then we will define here the cases. Let's say the case 1 equals says the case equals to 2, and if the value of I is equal to 2, then the case will print the value of I is 2, right? But if the value of I is not 2, then it will move to this case and then search the value of I is 3. But if it doesn't find the value of I is equal to 3, then it will move to this default case, and default mean if any of the condition doesn't match, move to this default and says print didn't found the value of I. So what we will do, we will just run this code and see what it returns. So it's running the statements. So it says didn't found the value of I. So let's try another example of a switch statement. Let's say I am initializing a let C equals to apple, and then I will use here the switch statement, and then this is the pattern of switch statement. I am just using here the value C, right? The pattern of cases is I am here adding the quotations and search banana, right? And the code is print value of C is banana, right? Then if it doesn't matches the code, it will print fail to found the value of C, right? So let's run it and see the condition returns. Say C, it say fail to found the value of C. If I wrote here apple, what it will do, it will return the value of C is, let me correct it, apple. So it will print here the value of C is apple. The value of C is apple, right? So these are the statements, and we have covered the chapter of statements. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, and we will be back with other amazing tutorial inshallah. Allah Hafiz.